So if I were to go around over here and bring this video clip right here and keep it on my timeline, and bring another video clip and keep it over here in the timeline again, then you can see that if I were to go around and press the play button in between, the clip simply changes from one to next without actually having anything right here in between. So it changes out immediately. In a lot of the cases, let me just go around and resize this as well so it takes the full area. In a lot of the cases, this is what you want, but what you also may want to do is you may want to go around and add in transition if you want a small scenes in between. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and click on add transition right here, then a transition is added in. And if I were to go around and press the play button, then you can see that it slowly transitions out from one clip to the next right here. So sometimes you may want that effect and it will be there as you keep it. So if I were to go around over here, this is the transition right here. And if I were to click on the transition, you can see that the cross-fade transition is currently applied. And if I were to change around the duration right here, then you can see that the clip overlaps out and then the duration of the transition increases as well, just like this. You can increase and decrease the transition duration right here by using this slider, just like this. So that is the transition as you can see right here, and you can click the transition and delete it as well. So this is what you have as you can see. So it says use these transition to shift, but to actually add in the transition, you need to go around, press the plus button, and then the transition will be active. There are different transitions that you can choose from. Like you can click right here and you can see that a different transition has been applied as I click on it. You can change around the duration as well. And there are many different transitions to choose from, like this ink right here. So you can go around onto the beginning, press the play button, then there's the ink transition. So you go around over here onto, let's say, spin right here, then you got the spin transition right here, just like this. So you got the spin transition right there. You want the tile transition, click on it, then what happens is that you got the tile transition right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and add and manage out transitions right here. And you can go around over here, and whenever you have multiple clips right here, you can go around and manage out the transitions right here. So this is what you have as you can see. So let's say I don't want the clip right here, so I can just go around over here and then click on transition to remove out the transition right here. Let me just make it full screen, and then I can just go around and crop it out right here and add in, let's say, for example, another video clip over here. And then over here as well, I can press the plus button and there's another transition around over here. So at the end, you don't get the transition. You cannot add in transition in the beginning and end inside of Clipchamp, but you can add in transition in between clips right here just by clicking on the plus button that appears right here. And then you can choose the transition as you see. So that is how you can add and manage transition inside of Clipchamp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.